There's a stream there, but I think we'll go through it anyways. Hello, London Wildman here, and we got Wildman Percy. So right now we're in the pickup truck, and I'll tell you, I got the itch for dirt biking. So right now we're gonna head in the truck and take a look at some of the spots that I've dirt biked last year, just to make sure that they're still there. Usually in the winter we head around in the truck and we just see what we can find today. Couldn't put it in four-wheel and turn the locker on because some of these spots are pretty deep. And then there's a bit of a hill here, so we have to make sure we can get back up this hill. Yeah, I think we'll get up fine. Quite the soft spot right here too. I feel kind of like a wussy always checking it, but I really don't want to get stuck. There's a stream there, but I think we'll go through it anyways. So I've done a little bit of dirt biking back in this area, and basically what it is there's a real nice stream that runs in this area, and most of the trails are on the other side of the stream, but there is some stream crossing, and so you cross the stream obviously, and then you're on this side. So this side has a series of, it's a bush with a small little path down the center, and then a series of small fields like this. The fields did have corn on it all bike season. So I only got back here actually once, because obviously it's not fun riding through corn, right? But real nice area back here. There's not many people back here, and again, the trails are pretty decent. I think lots of people use the trails, but I've never actually seen one person on the trail. So Roland and I have actually crossed this part. I don't think the water was this high when we did it, but the trail here goes to the other, where the trails are, but pretty beauty stream. It kind of curves all about through this area. Pretty nice area back in here. Be nice to bring a house back here, or build a house back here or something. Be kind of neat. Alright, so I think that's all the exploring I'm going to do for today. We got out and checked on a trail that I've ridden at before, and everything looks good. I even saw a couple ATVs in there, so I know that trail is still active. and also found unmaintained road, and it was pretty ruddy and pretty muddy, so might even check that out on the bike once it gets a little warmer. And then I also found a really cool hill that goes up from the side of the road into a farmer's field. I think it's like an access road for the tractors, but it looks really steep, so it'd be kind of neat to climb up and down that. So in London, Ontario, you got to get out in the truck, or at least use Google Maps and find these places, because they're not very common and not many people know. So you got to get out, you got to scout for trails. So if you wanted to see any more Wildman videos, go ahead and subscribe. Check me out on Facebook. Wildman out.